my friend.
Good morning, friends, especially to our subscribers out there. Okay? It's October 3rd right now. If you can see the background there, the trees are turned yellow already. But as a matter of fact, as we go around Prince George, the trees are almost a third of it are already yellow. We're so excited. After maybe a couple of weeks or so, everything will be yellow except the evergreens. But anyway, guys, we're here at the Cottonwood Park together with my friend Edgar, and we're thinking about going around different sites and venues of Prince George and trying to show you the natural beauty of Prince George during fall season. Now my friend Edgar is going to cover some live coverage news about his observation, how he feels about the beauty of Prince George to show to the world, especially to our friends back home in the Philippines.
Click and subscribe.
So my friend,
Hello, friend.
how do you feel today?
Oh, it's a good day. This is a good, nice to see the made of wood. This is called braids, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Maybe they call it a cottonwood.
How you doing?
Oh, pretty good, Bob. How are you?
Oh, yeah.
Nice perch, huh?
Yeah, good morning.
Oh, look at your hair then. Nice exercise, Papa.
Once again, guys, we are here to to make a small report about this live report here in Prince.
Hey there.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi, good
How are
morning.
you?
I'm
Good
good.
to see you.
Yeah, good to
So
see you.
nice to see you.
Yeah.
What's up?
Are you related with him?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, but he got it, really. Last week I saw him coming up here.
Okay.
Pretty bold, eh?
Okay, you're out for a walk.
I am.
Oh, good. I missed him. I missed Papa Barry.
You see that that animal?
Yeah.
You see? Small
okay.
animal. Yeah.
Look at that.
What is that?
That's a
My
chipmunk.
friend, yeah.
That's a chipmunk.
Cover sila, my friend. Oh, cover mo para
Hindi naman.
dami tayong friend dito.
Yung gulo mo yung maintindihan nila.
Oh. My friend, dapat i-cover mo na sila mga friend natin nga nag-alagi, my friend. Kay isa ina sa mga kapamatuod niya. Damo kita diya, friend, my friend. Friendly people kita my friend mo. Kita tagiyas ang bridge ni my friend mo.
Ganit.
Oh, kita mo, damo nagkakanto diya sa aton nga bridge.
Well, that lady, my friend, is one of the sisters of one of my residents. His brother was there for almost 7 years. Yeah. Until he passed away. But they're good people.
Oh, kita mo na my friend, may isa man ta kabigo. Nagakuha man sang view. Nang tawag lang my friend. Katawahay sang pangabuhi tani my friend, di ka dire tay nag-stars tay.
Panamiyawa ang atong mga friends dito sa Pilipinas, my friend.
Oh, ginatamyaw lang namon dira ang mga friend namon sa Pilipinas. Kutob sang nagatanaw mga ang siling ko bala my friend yung mga viewers naton nga nagasubaybay sang vlog mo. Na nagapasalamat din kami sa inyo. Kay bisan paano makakadlaw-kadlaw kita, siling naton nga libang-libang bala nga palipas oras. Amo na yung ginahimo namon diri sa Prince George, basta may time lang kami kay amo lang ni ang mahatag namon sa inyo nga kalingawan. Pinaagi man diri sa amon nga duha sang migo ko nga nagalibot-libot diri sa may mga lugar bla nga hindi nyo man makita, at least makita nyo man pinaagi sa amon nga ginahatag sa inyo dra ka ginapasa nga mga views. So happy kami nga nagahatag sa inyo sa nga gamay nga may lingawan makamuda sa pagtan-aw gani nga click and subscribe sa channel sang migo ko. Wow, thank you good.
Okay, so for today's vlog, we actually would like to personally thanks for our members of the group, that we created on Facebook, my friend, our daily videos, right? Especially to you and Marlene and the rest of your classmates, my friend, who joined in. We are so thrilled that you took effort to become a member and took time to view and watch our videos, right? Our daily videos that we posted daily over there, right? Well, right now we are here at the Cottonwood Park, and we just had our lunch. Right? So now we thought before going home, we would like to have a fresh air here. This park here is frequently visited by people, especially for photo shoots. The wedding.
Sa likod mo, kapag sila na.
Yeah. So, sige, ambal, my friend.
My friend, araw ang mga friend na to, no? Nga pakisahan mo, araw lapit si mo. Eh, way ka lang kapabugal, pero damo kagali siyang mga parinti di my friend sa Prince George, nga mga putian gali, my friend. Hambir, humble ka, my friend. Balaan ko, my friend, amo na gani, my friend, nga naglawig ang pagka-friendly naton. Kay ang friendship gali naton, kay tungod sang batasan mo bala nga, very humble. Damo kagali di friend nga mga white citizen sang Canada. Sikrito kagali, my friend. Pati ko pa, my friend, parintahan na ka mo ni Clinton.
Ni Clinton.
Oo, si Clinton.
Grabe nga mga bolt, my friend. No?
Ah,
Mga bolt.
grabe oh.
Okay, so our plans for today, guys, is to go and visit different sites and venues of Prince George. My friend is willing cover live news to feed our friends there in the Philippines about the natural beauty of Prince George during fall season. So come along with us.
Hello guys, good day. Ari naman kami subong sa tubang sa nga Prince Auto kag sa Thames Horton sa ilang parking area. Nag-observe kami subong sa nagasugod na ang pole nga sabihin makita naton ang mga color yellow nga mga leaves ang mga trees nga ari sa palibot namon. Subong amoni ang ginasiling naton mainit pero daw medyo matugnaw kag mabatyagan mo ang kanami isang panahon. So pinaagi sa pagkatahom isang panahon daw magayong-yung kanay ni doon na ilit pero mabugnaon dito tungod sang home kay kinasiling nila nga nagkakahulog ang dahon. So mabatyagan man akon sa akong buhok na daw medyo haraman na apektuhan man bangod sang climate nga ginasiling nila nga mabugnaw pero nga daw mainit. Amo na nga siling ko gani siling ko tungod sang nagahatag kami sa inyo sa update bangod sang kung nagaluntad sa mong video amo na niyang panaad namon sa akon nga friend nga si Sir Jim Gado pahatag sa inyo sa update sa polls nga nagaluntad gid subong time diri sa Prince George kag subong bisan siling naton nga medyo mainit nga daw matugnaw pero sa gyapon ang inyong utod nagahatag sa inyo sang live coverage diri sa Prince George. Hello guys, this is maple tree. This is the maple leaves. Amo ning ang ginatawag nila nga national tree diri sa Canada. Ang maple leaves nga ginasiling nila nga kung sa aton da sikat ang ngara. Pero diri naman sa Canada mo ning maple leaves nga ginasiling nila diri nga walang tao katawom sang dahon ka color yellow kag subong makadto kita sa piyak ay ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano naging resulta sang phones nga ginasiling nila diri sa Prince George. Oh, subong oh. Kita, grabe ang tugpok sang hulog sang dahon subong oh. Sus kanami daan oh. Oh, the best my friend. Ang ganda ng mga dahon dito, parang kumot ko na oh. Kulambo na ng kulang my friend. Ang sarap dito magtulog. Ang ganda tulugan ng mga dahon oh. Ang sarap. Oh. ito yung sinasabi nila, my friend, na kapag fall, ang dami ng dahon na lalaglag sa kahoy. Pero sa tingin ko lang, my friend, parang karamihan mo, panay dahon na nahulog, yung bunga wala. Ano yung bunga ho? Nandun pa ho, si taas. Gayahin ko nga si Juan, hintayin ko lang may malaglag yung bunga, my friend. Ano sa gusto mo, hintayin ko rito para matikman ko yung sarap at lasa ng bunga ng sinasabi mong maple tree. Gusto mo? Ang himbing, my friend, matulog muna ako ha. Kanina sa padulong kita ni my friend. Huwag ko madakop, my friend.
O sige my friend, bantay kayo kakahulog.
Kanina sa my friend.
Ano pa my friend, no?
Kuha ko talaga.
Oh? Ano kuha mo?
Ito yung sinasabi na falling down dahil sa fall. Oh.
Paraga
Talaga ito may nahulog naman, my friend. Pero hindi masyadong nakahulog, my friend, kasi
Ora raw damo
wala
na.
yun, oh.
Ora.
Oo, nahulog naman, oh. Ang ganda.
Nga to my friend, oh, damo. Hulog
Ha?
na.
Oh,
Dire lang.
my friend.
Dire lang. Oh, adamo na.
Okay, aso, my friend. Sana kunin ko. Pero tumatahol yung aso ron sa loob, my friend. Nabigla nga ako eh. Parang kinakabahan ako, my friend, doon. Ang laki ng aso. Oh, laki ng busis, oh. Oh, kita mo? Oh, yung aso doon, oh. Parang bahan ako talaga, my friend, sa aso. Parang nabigla ako. Naiwasan ko yung... Sana may...
Wow, it's what kind of tree is this?
I'm not sure. I think somebody said it might be a maple or something.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we love it.
but this side, you know, where the sun strikes, it's pretty.
It's beautiful in the summer because it's like a big canopy, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, you guys live around here too?
Oh, just right over there on the other side.
Cool. You guys have a great day.
No problem.
Prince George is beautiful.
It is. While we're taking the videos with this maple tree, that's what the lady was saying. It was maple tree. While we're taking the videos in front of her house, she got out of the house. She was just wondering what we're doing. Maybe she thought we were just taking videos privately, but you know, we're just saying that it is just because the
Oo. Di putar, my friend. Ay, kung una yung abuyan niya, Ido, ya.
oh my god, I thought we're gonna be attacked by a couple of dogs, right?
Hindi putar. May pakukadtulong sa kanding ni Ido.
But anyway, guys, we explained to the lady that these trees are really beautiful in front of her house, and we can't resist but took a video out of it. And all of a sudden, while I'm talking in the video, and a couple of dogs are right behind us, trying to attack us. But it's not really attack; they're playful. Hey. Oh, I'm good. Ako, my friend, no?
Napakasarap ng buhay natin dito, my friend. Parang nasa heaven ako. Heaven is yours. I could see, I could can kiss my face. I could see, I could dance. Okay, my friend, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. It's nice to say, oh, baby. Okay.
Pwede ka man kalumpat, my friend, halinda, pakadto to.
Oh, di.